This video is for the associates to understand various working processes. Each topic is a standalone separate issue. File naming system. Each file and folder name has minimum components and labels. First is the name of the project or portal. Each project or portal gets a corporate code. It is minimum 3 characters, can be up to 8 characters. Such as PNP stands for Pana Bana, INS stands for Incuber Services, VWRK stands for We Work 24/7, etc. There is a list of these corporate codes for our projects. There can be more than one project name if that document belongs to more than one project. Second label is date when this document or folder was created. It is a 8-number label and it starts with year such as 2020 and 2 numbers for month such as 01 for January and 2 numbers for date such as 09 for 9th day. So the collective label shall be 20200821 means August 21st, 2020. Third label is who originated this document or file. Again, this is a 3 or more characters for the person who originated it, such as VIC stands for Vijay Chopra or SUT for Sumit Thakur, etc. There can be more than one person, such as who it is for and others who are involved in this document, file or folder. It is all of them, then it can be all. There is a list of corporate code for all associates. Please familiarize with this document. Please do not call any person by this code. Please use full names of persons. Corporate code are only for file naming. Fourth label is what this document, file or folder about. There can be more labels such as version, such as V01, etc. or it can be VIC to SUT, which is a chain of exchange of documents, etc. A typical file or folder name may look like this: PNP 20200823 VIC SUT website module V03. Our work management system. It is a software that lets you start your work day. It acts as an attendance module. It is also linked to InQtime software. As soon as you log in, your computer is recording your activities in the background. So if you stop using your computer for a period of time, it will automatically log you out. And you go away from your desk for more than 10 minutes like lunch, please key in accordingly. This time worked is also used for system when you work from home or outside office. If you go out for office work, then you have to write in why did you go out. When you log in, you will see your calendar and your tasks for the day. Each task is predefined time for completion. When you have completed task, you have to go to next task. If the task is not ready for test and you need clarification, you will mark it as such as the next person will reply. If it is completed, ready for test, next person will test and revert. When it is marked completed after testing, you can go to next task. In this calendar, you can mark your days off that you are looking to be away from office. In the personal module, you can mark the courses that you wish to learn and use paid and personal time to learn new skill sets. You are required to give a demo of the skill set when you have acquired it. Most projects are divided in smaller milestones, tasks, so that it is easier to manage. If the task is marked for overtime, then you can work overtime on it. Otherwise, overtime is not permitted. The software has emailing and chat system that is to be for all internal systems and communications, etc. The software also has a system for keeping the files, folders in cloud. It also has weather and news modules. So please practice and familiarize with it. We meet online for conferences from time to time. You are required to lead conferences and give demos from time to time on your work assignments. There are more videos on our workings. For any clarification on any issue, call or text 908-200-2020 or Skype Vijay_Kumar_Chopra, Piscataway, New Jersey, USA, or email incubususa@gmail.com.